Hi everyone. Let's discuss something about home gardening. Before you start, free your garden space from small rock particles and uninvited weeds and debris as they compete with the plants for nutrients and overpower their growth. Now, follow the basics. Balcony or rooftop gardens require the same attention as other gardens. Ensure your plants get adequate sunshine. Flop up the soil and add some organic fertilizer to boost the growth of your plant. Do remember to water them periodically. Take note of weather change, like bringing the plants inside while conditions are too chilling, as extreme cold temperatures can have adverse effects. Use window boxes and hanging plants, as these are extremely useful for maximizing space in urban gardening. You may even try growing a windowsill garden. A home garden is an excellent way to use your balcony, roof, or free area. It will beautify your balcony, improve the air quality, and also supply you with fresh tastes to utilize in your cooking. Let's also name a few plants which are suitable for indoor or home gardens. Rain lilies, plumbago, bougainvillea, canary bush, aloe vera, money plant, snake plant, bamboo palm. Did you find these tips useful? Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks videos.